My name is Nur Shazwani binti Muhammad Fazila. My metric number is 1190461.
Hi, my name is Shanini Binti Sukri. My metric number 1191713.
I'm Nur Ashikin binti Yahaya, metric number 1191717.
What is robotic waiters?
Robotic waiters are one of the technology that is assigned to be an assistant in a restaurant or cafe. There are many functions of the robotic waiters. This robot is tasked with delivering food to customer. Robot waiters often have high carrying capacity, voice control modules, touchscreen, and infrared cameras that allow them to navigate around the dining room. A staffer loads the food for the table onto one of the tray, enter the table number, and the robot waiters zoom out to deliver the hot and fresh food. After the guests confirm that they got their order, it returns to the kitchen.
How did robotic waiters emerge?
Robotic waiters are from Japan. The first restaurant to hire robot waiters was the Two Panda Deli restaurant located in Pasadena, California, United States, America. The restaurant is owned by Shinya Hayashi. They took two robot waiters, namely Tanbo R1 and Tabo R2, to bring Chinese food to customers. They also deliver chow mein, spare ribs, and fortune cookies to tables as required, telling jokes and playing music at the same time. They were popular with customers, however, and proved to be a major draw to a restaurant. Why we choose robotic waiters? We choose robotic waiters because it is one of the technologies that help humans do jobs, especially to run a business at restaurant or cafe.
What value does technology have for businesses? First, higher efficiency. Robotic waiters produce more accurate and high-quality work. Robotic waiters can often carry much larger loads in one trip compared to human employees. A robotic waiter can deliver 100 meals in a day to a customer. Second, higher reliability. As long as staff input the correct order and send it to the right table, then the possibility of making an error when delivering the order to the customer is lower. Third, quality. Robot require an energy source to survive. The robot is powered by the battery while delivering the order to the customers. The robot uses a durable and expensive battery because it is the main source of power for turning on the robot to accomplish the work. What impact does technology have on related technologies or businesses? First, the use of robotic waiter is becoming more sophisticated due to simplify matters, especially in terms of the business sector. New feature set will be added to the robotic waiter according to specific suitability. The rise of the robotic waiters will increase productivity and improve economic growth. Second, businesses that use robot technology are more advanced and attractive than those using humans since robots are faster and more efficient than humans. Businesses that use robots also can save time since they are faster than workers. Robots are used in a variety of places including restaurants, hotels, and factories.
What impact does technology have on people, process, and business? The positive impact on people. First, the robot will not rebel against employer despite working without limit and pay. An entrepreneur do not have to think about the problems faced by human beings that involve physical and mental illness. The negative impact is lack of job opportunities. It's because the robot took over the human work, and people not having any initiative to strive to complete the works because more depend on the robot than themselves. Next, the process. The positive impact on process is the robot can perform a given task efficiently and accurately, and this robot is also less error-prone as it has been programmed. Negative effect is the robot is not flexible and cannot think creatively like humans do. And for delivery service, this robot is slower than humans, so it will take time for that process. And then the business. The positive impact on business. First, it can provide a reasonable profit to the business because it can save the labor cost. and also can be as a marketing strategy to increase the business sales because it can attract customer. The negative side is the robot require a high cost to update an old program to a new one, and also require the expensive and high quality component to get an efficient operation.
Are there any issues to your proposed technology?
There are 4 issues of waiter robot. First, the navigation issue is global navigation, which involves navigating and locating the waiter robot to the preferred table. The second one is to perform local navigation by recognizing and docking at the correct table. Second, the serving issue. The robot cannot serve the meal on the table. The customer must constantly monitor the robot's movement after place an order. And the robot also has a problem with stopping on its own, so we must give a signal such as tapping on the robot's head. Then, ordering system. Usually, a smart device has been provided for customer to select the desired menu, but it takes time to choose it, and we also need to wait for our turn to place an order because we need to share it with other members. Last, the live communication or room service, which is provided by hotel. The robot also provided for room service, but it is limited and mainly focused on certain things such as their existing food and only packaged food. Then also the essential thing like towel, soap, and so on.
How might Malaysia design something that will surprise the world? On the robotic waiters, we will add the function robotic waiters such as it not only can deliver food and drinks but can make their own water, and we will setting various types of recipe for the robot to prepare food for customer. In addition, we will add more setting for the language so that robotic waiters can speak millions of language in the world so that customer can easily understand the robot.
Suggestion for our project. First, we can use the coaster pegging system for navigating close to the target table, and also the indoor positioning system, IPS and ROS, the navigation and localization module to aim the robot stop at the right table. Then, the web ordering system will bring more convenience for customer as they just need to place the order via their smartphone. Lastly, we can use RFID tag that can be attached to the table's edge to recognize the table and also to serve the dishes.
The conclusion is robotic waiters may actually bring in business. Customers like new and interesting things, and having a robot on staff might get more people in your restaurant. The client may also take lots of picture and video of the robot to post on social media, which will serve as free marketing for business.